Another thing that you'll notice where we've taken some social media cues from is the account screen. Here on the left-hand side, I'll draw your attention to the Newsfeed, and it's one of my favorite features for 6 related to accounts. What we've tried to do is any CRM that you have, you're going to be trying to put together a story for the client. Clicking around, looking at last orders, last payments, what did you do for them? Are there any notes or activities you need to be concerned with? And what you're trying to do is put together a story, either while you're having a conversation with a client or before you pick up the phone. And that's common in every CRM, including Service Monster 5. But in Service Monster 6, we've added this concept of a newsfeed. And here you'll see every activity related to account in chronological order. So any payments, orders, invoices, estimates, jobs, any updates you've made to the record or any of your staff have made to the record itself, and including details about deletion and so forth. So I can scroll through here and we can actually put together a rather robust history for the client. You can see here the big red deleted, a couple payments were deleted on the specific record, but it really gives you a smooth and concise way to put that story together.